Today we are going to create this professional poster from scratch and I will explain every step. Without wasting much more time, let's get started. Go to the uploads and upload the product PNG. Then click on background and change the background color. All the color codes are given in description. Choose gradient colors. Copy that first one color code and paste here. Adjust this color to slightly white. And change the style. Go to the element section, go to the shapes and add a rectangle shape. Reduce corner rounding. Change the color. Make it duplicate and change the color and adjust it as a surface. Again make a duplicate of this surface and remove color and increase the stroke weight and change the stroke color as white. Send it to backward and adjust as outline. Again go to the element section and add the circle shape. Change the color of these circles and change the style also. Make a duplicate of this circle shape and change the color of one circle shape. Adjust this circle forward to the previous one so it looks 3D. Now follow my process. Don't skip the video because I am gonna show you how to create 3D balls. Go to the elements, add circle shape and change the color. And apply this last style. To make 3D balls, use 3 colors. Now click on the image and remove the background. Go to the positions and select the circle shapes and decrease the size. Again decrease the size of this plate. Now adjust the product PNG. We need to decrease the size of these shapes again. Now adjust the product PNG. Go to the edit, go to the adjust and click on auto adjust. Now increase the intensity as you want. Now go to the elements, search for the white glow and add this first one. Send backward, adjust this white glow. And decrease the transparency up to 50. Again go to the elements and search for the white light rays and add the white light whatever you want. Again go to the elements, search for the shadows and apply the shadows. Decrease the transparency of these shadows if needed. Leave your thoughts in the comments if this was useful. And at the last, add the text.